Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Expert Teaching. In this channel, I will teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10th SSLC NCERT Maths. In today's video, let us solve the question for part 3 from exercise 1.1 chapter 1 arithmetic progression. Now fourth question says, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write 3 more terms, right? We have to second part we have to solve, then third part I will explain you. 11th question says a comma a square comma a cube comma a to the power 4, so on. Similarly, here also find out the common difference and write the 3 more terms. First we have to write the general form. What is the general form of AP? A comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d, so on. Then let us determine the common difference a2 minus a1, right? A2 means a square, then a1 means a, right? Here cannot simplify further. When the power is same, add or subtract. Here power is not same means we cannot add or subtract, right? So that's it. Then find out the common difference one more. A3 minus A2. What is A3 here? A3 means a to the power 3. A2 means a square, right? Here also not same. Common difference is not same. D is equals to A4 minus a square. A4 means a to the power 4. A square means, a cube, A3 means a to the power 3. So clearly we can see the common difference is not same. Common difference is not same means therefore it is not an AP, right? Now question number 12 says root 2 comma root 8 comma root 18 comma root 32, so on. Here also find out the common difference and write the 3 more terms. Similarly, what is the common difference? A2 minus A1. What is A2? A2 means root 8. A1 means root 2, right? Root 8 it can be written as 4 into 2 will be a 4 to the 8. We get a root 8 minus root 2, right? Then we know that square root of 4 is 2, right? Root 2 minus root 2, right? 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 means we get a root 2, right? Similarly, find out one more common difference. A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 means root 18 minus A2 means root 8, right? Here also root 18 can be written as 9 to the 18 minus here also root 8 can be written as 2 root 2, right? So we know that square root of root 9 means 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 we get a root 2. Here clearly we can see the common difference is same. When the common difference is same means it is an arithmetic progression, right? When the arithmetic progression, so we have to find the next 3 more terms. Here given to you the 4 terms, then find out the 5th, 6th, 7th. So find out the 5th term, A plus 4D. What is A? A means root 2 plus 4 as it is. D means root 2, right? Here 2 root 2 plus 4 root 2 will be a 5 root 2. Add the, then 5 square of 5 is nothing but root 25 into 2 we get a 5 to the 50. Root 50 is the 5th term, right? Similarly, A plus 5D, 6th term. A means root 2 plus 5 as it is. D means root 2. Root 2 root plus 5 root, it will be a 6 root 2, right? Then here also square root of 6 is nothing but 36 into 2, right? 36 into 2 will be a root 72, right? Similarly, seventh term, find out a plus 6d, right? A means root 2 plus 6 as it is. D means root 2. Here also root 2 plus 6 root 2 will be a 7 root 2, right? Square of 7th is nothing but 49 into root, right? 49 into 2 will be a root 98, right? The next three more terms, term is root 50, root 72, root 98, right? Now question 13 says root 3, comma, root 6, comma, root 9, comma, root 12, so on, right? Here also find out the common difference and three more terms. D equal to A2 minus A1, right? A2 means root 6 minus root 3, right? Here root cannot be substituted. Root 6 cannot be substituted even if it can be written as root 6. Root 3 into 2 term cannot, any term left it is, right? So similarly find out D is equals to A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 means root 9 minus A2 means root 6, right? Root 9 it can be written as square root of 9 will be a 3 minus root 6, right? Similarly find out one more common difference, A4 minus A3. What is A4? A4 means root 12 minus A3 means root 9, right? Root 12 can be written as 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, and root 9 can be written as 9, right? So square root of 4 means 2 root 3 minus 9. Here clearly we can see the common difference is not same, right? When the common difference is not same means therefore it is not arithmetic progression, right? Similarly 14th question, 1 square comma 3 square comma 5 square comma 7 square, so on. Here also find out the common difference and write the three more terms. D equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? 3 square minus A square. A means A1 means A square. 3 square can be written as 9 minus 1 square means 1. So we get a 9 minus 1 will be a 8. Similarly D equal to A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 means 5 square minus A2 means 3 square. 5 square means 25 minus 9 square means 3 square means 9. 25 minus 9 will be a 16. Here see, here also clearly the common difference is not same. When the common difference is not same, it is not AP, right? Question number 15 says A square, 5 square, 7 square, so on. Here also same, find out the common difference, A2 minus A1, right? A2 means 5 square, A1 means 1 square, right? 5 square means it can be written as 25 minus 1 square means 1. 25 minus 1 will be a 24. Similarly D equal to A3 minus A2, right? A3 means 7 square minus 5 square. So 7 square it can be written as 49 minus 5 square means 25, right? So similarly 49 minus 25 will be we get a 24, right? Here clearly we can see the common difference is same, right? When the common difference is same means it is an arithmetic progression, right? When the arithmetic progression, then find out the 3 more terms, a plus 4d. Here the given 4 terms, then find out the 5th, 6th, 7th. So what is a here? A means 1 square plus 4 as it is, d means 24, right? 1 square it can be written as 1 plus 4 into 24 will be a 96. Then 96 plus 1 will be a 97. Similarly, find out 5th, 6th term, a plus 6d. A means 1 square plus 5 as it is, d means 24, right? 1 square means 1 plus 5 into 24 will be a 120. 120 plus 1 will be a 121, right? Similarly, 7th term find out, a plus 6d. A means 1 square plus 6 into d means 24, right? 1 square means 1 plus 6 into 24 will be a 144, right? 144 plus 1 will be a 145, right? The next 3 more terms is 97, 121 and 145. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos. Thank you for watching.